Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Z55 Ultra smartwatch. We already paired it with the Support App Fit Pro, okay, application, okay, available in iOS and Android. So this time we are going to check, okay, of course, the Bluetooth call of the smartwatch. So we have here the dialer, okay, and the phone book. So we're going to try and test whether we can receive a Bluetooth call as well as messages, okay. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, okay, the Bluetooth call and SMS video demo of the Z55 Ultra smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries. Okay, we are ready. Okay, we already paired it with the support app. Okay, let me see if we are still set. Okay, we got disconnected, so let's try and connect it again. So this is somewhat an issue with the Fit Pro app. Okay, sometimes it is paired. Okay, then suddenly it is disconnected again. But anyway, let's try and reconnect it to our smartwatch or to our, okay, support app. Let's reconnect the Z55. Okay, so we are paired now with our smartwatch. Let's first check the notification function for the message push. Okay, let's see if we are activated. Okay, so let's activate the SMS and the WhatsApp. Okay, we are going to use this application to receive app notifications. So everything is okay. So we do have here frequent contacts. We'll set that later on. Okay, so let's check if we can receive message. Okay, so with our phone here, we'll send a message to our phone. Okay, so Z55 Ultra message. Okay, so let's see if we can receive an SMS message. Okay, the message is successfully sent. Okay, so as you can see here, we received the message here. Okay, so where do we see the content? Okay, just press this one and let's go to the message section. Message. Okay, so we do have it here. Can we also see it here? Okay, on top, just swipe. So we do have an option to read the SMS message on our smartwatch, as you can see. Okay, let's have another one. Another one. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's a vibration but there's no beeping sound in the smartwatch, just a vibration and the pop-up message here, as you can see. Okay, so it works for the SMS. What about this application? So let's see. Okay, so Z55 Ultra. Okay, so let's see. Send the message. Okay, so we received the message here. Okay, so you can read the messages directly on your wearable. Okay, let's see. Okay, then let's check. Okay, so there's only one message. Okay, as you can see here. the contents here is just the latest message automatically. You cannot see an icon, a separate icon for the previous SMS message, as you can see here. Okay, so we do have here the latest, the WhatsApp application, but not the SMS message. Okay, let's have another one. Can we see the previous message? So we do have here from WhatsApp, we do have the name here and the message. Okay, so it can only store one message. Okay, we don't have the details on the previous SMS as well as the previous WhatsApp application. It's only the latest message here, as you can see. Okay, again, let me show it to you. So SMS or the message, as you can see here. So we don't have the previous one, Z55 Ultra application, WhatsApp application. Okay, only the hello message here. Okay, so disappointing, but anyway, it's an affordable smartwatch, so you can only store one message here. Okay, for the application as well as the SMS. Okay, what if we call it? We call the number. Okay, let's see. We have the call notification. Okay, incoming voice call. That's it only. Okay, so you can receive at least a call notification from the application WhatsApp. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so let's go to the phone book or to the Bluetooth call. Okay, so let's set it here first. Okay, frequent contacts. So let's add. Okay, phone book. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So let's see if we do have it here. Okay, we already added the number. Okay, phone book. Press the menu. Okay, so we do have it here. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's call this number first. Okay, with our smartwatch here or smartphone. Let's call it. Okay, as you can see here. So I don't see any option to block calls. Only answer calls here. Okay, let's have another one. How about let's message? No. Let's use this one. Okay, the phone book. Tap on it. Okay. Okay, did not work. Let's see again. Phone book. It's not working. Okay. There's no option for that. Okay, how about the dialer? Let's see. Okay. 0. So far the phone book did not work. How about this one? 0969 09696 again. 0969615833 or 399. Okay, let's see if the call works. It's also not working. Okay, so let's check. Maybe we missed something here in the settings. Other options. Dial settings for the watch face, frequent contacts. message for push. Everything works here. Call reminder. Okay, let's go to the Bluetooth settings. Let's check. Okay, so everything works here. Use for phone audio. Maybe we missed. Okay, how about this one? Okay, so everything looks good here with Pro. Okay, so seems like everything is okay, but the Bluetooth call here will not work if you are going to dial it here in the smartphone or smartwatch. As you can see, it's not working. I don't know if I missed something or not, but it's not working so far. Okay, dialer again. So phone book. Okay, let's see. Maybe we made a mistake. Again, dialer 0969615839. Okay, so let's try. It's not working, as you can see here. It's not working. So let's see. We have other settings. Nothing. Okay, let's go to the settings here. Let's see. So far the Bluetooth call did not work here. I know if we missed something. QR code. Okay, so let's try this one. If we can answer the calls here. I'm going to troubleshoot it next time and see whether it works. But so far, based on our test, it did not work. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's try. Did not work also. You can only receive notifications. Although we do have a Bluetooth function here. Okay, as you can see from the phone book, but it did not work. It's all call notifications. Let's see. Okay, so far unsuccessful. You can only receive the Bluetooth call here, or you can only receive a notification, but you cannot answer it directly in the wearable. Okay, let's see. Let's try this one. Pairing. Already paired it with in the support app, but I think we do have to activate it here. Let's see. Okay, pair. Maybe we missed something. Okay, connected. Okay, I guess hopefully it will work. Okay, let's try another one. I wonder why it's already paired here in the app, but you still have to activate in the Bluetooth section. Okay, phone book. Okay, so as you can see here, seems like it's working. And so far it works. Again, another one. 0969615839. Oh, 58399. Okay, so it works so far. As you can see here, again, another one. So it works, the Bluetooth call works. Reject. Okay, let's have another one. And let's call and let's answer. Hello? 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 Okay, so it works, but the speaker is very, it's not that loud. Okay, let's block the call now. Okay, so again, so far it works. Okay, but after adding, okay, as you can see here, in the message push notifications and the Bluetooth call here, or the Bluetooth connectivity here, pairing your smartwatch with the support app, you still have to go here in the Bluetooth section and pair it. Okay, manually pair it. Okay, manually activate it. Okay, here in the Bluetooth connectivity. Okay, as you can see here. So it works, but the speaker is very, okay, the sound is minimal. It's not that loud. You don't have any option to adjust it. Okay, but so far it works, the SMS and the Bluetooth call. Again, if you want to receive a Bluetooth call, you have to add it here, okay, in the Bluetooth settings. As you can see here, we thought we already paired it, okay, based on the support app, but you still have to activate it here in the Bluetooth section. Okay, so that's it with the Z55 Ultra smartwatch. Okay, we do have some slight troubleshooting, but so far we have successfully fixed it. Okay, so it's our Z55 Ultra smartwatch, the Bluetooth call functionality. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Bye.